Hello folks, Gary GSF. Been out biking and along on my drone. Started the day off in Matins Hotel and had a nice little scone and latte. But we proceeded on round in Irvinestown to Necarne Castle, and this is Necarne Castle here. Built in 1835 by the Irvine family, who remained here until 1922. Now, hence the name Irvinestown, the Irvine family name descended into the town. So it's there has been a site, a settlement on this site from the 17th century with the plantation of Ulster, and I think it's actually incorporated into this building. It has a equestrian centre and sports facilities and lovely rolling parklands, and yeah, you'll get a feel for that. So I'll keep quiet and enjoy the little look around the place. Well, from Necarne, I proceeded on up to the lower Lough Erne viewpoint, which you can see now. I just took a couple of pictures, a couple of stills from it, and was looking over Castle Archty, a lovely place up near Kesh. And then I came down to Lusty Beg Island. This is actually Lusty Beg Island I'm flying across to now. It is actually off another island called Bow Island, and it is... it's an island off an island, but this is a very commercial spot. There's a restaurant, hotel, sports facilities, outdoor pursuits facilities, and chalets, the self-catering chalets. There's everything on this, and it's accessed by a little ferry, which you're going to see now. At the time I was here, stayed on the island, was a team building exercise from the company I used to work on. But this is a little ferry that goes across, and it goes across on demand. It is actually on a cable, and it trundles across. So sit back and relax and watch the ferry go across the island. And I just take this opportunity to thank you for watching. If you've liked it, please hit like. Always just appreciate it. If you feel as though you'd like to subscribe, hit that wee button. We're always appreciative, and just share it on to anyone you think might be interested. But for now, this is Gary GSF signing off. Thank you again for watching, and bye for now.